still remember when my dad passed away when I was only 10 years old. I never thought that what I didn't want to happen would actually happen.
I wasn't even by his side until he passed away. The thought of living without me being there, without me be able to tell him how much I love him, is a pain I can't describe. I don't know what will happen to us if we're able to make it without Dad. It feels like a part of me is gone too. It's so hard to accept that my dad is gone, especially since he was the only one supporting us. But you know, I am grateful to my uncles and aunts because they are simply there for me, offering a hug or kind without I need it most. And my aunts help me my expenses.
Don't worry, we are here to guide you and support you no matter what.
Hey Nad, how are you?
I am fine.
I hope you're doing okay. I know that it's hard to accept that your dad is already gone, but
Forget to eat and sleep regularly. I know it's hard to accept that, but just don't forget to take care of yourself. Remember always that we are here to help you and guide you, and you are not alone.
Presence helped me to heal and move forward, knowing that I have a loving family to lean on.